All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is May 4th, and we're back at it, looking to have some more fun today. I was looking for a potential short at the opening. That's why I put a sell limit here at 40.91. Take it down to the lows. So just hang tight. See how the market develops. Looks like we're finding some got all this selling, but no buying, but price is staying up. We'll see. Let's see what price do. Got a whole lot of selling down there, but price is staying up. So that's good. That tells me we got some support down there. Just to be safe, in case there's a liquidity grab. Let me check one thing real quick, because I'm thinking it might be a liquidity grab if they run down quick. It might swallow me up and then keep going up. I want to check something really quick. Come on, load, load, load. Man, sometimes things take ever to load. Oh, they got some support down there. There's some support. There's some support there. I'll take this off right now. I'll take off that short. I'll take it off. I'll let market settle for a little bit. Show me what they really got today. We got some support in that area. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. So, like I said, we're back at it. If you appreciate the content, as always, please like, subscribe, share. Let's keep this thing going. But let's hang back. It's now 9:32. Let's hang back, allow price to develop, allow our setups to show itself, and then we'll execute based on that. All right, y'all. I took an aggressive long trade here. I'm seeing, based on this candle closing, it's telling me they want to push it up, and I'm seeing them trying their best to push it up. So I took an aggressive long at 40.98. I'm seeing the same thing. And I'm getting a divergent candle developing here on the 25 range. So hopefully we're not too aggressive too early on this trade. But we'll see how it end up playing out. Now they're pulling it back down already. Let me move this down a little bit so you can see better. Yeah, I think I was too aggressive too early. Let's keep an eye on price. Most of the time when I'm aggressive, it never pays out. But I saw we had like a decent base down to this downside here. That's why I'm like, buyers look like they're gonna try and push this thing up off the open. That's why I took the aggressive entry. I was looking at my trading view setup on the 5-minute and the 20-minute on trading view. We had some decent support to the downside. So I didn't want to short that and then they do a liquidity grab. So I said, let me go long, be a little aggressive, but it looked like this one is not going to pan out right away. All right, so first trade on the day, first loss in the day. Let's hand back and be a little bit more patient. All right, y'all, saw how that worked out. My initial instinct was to get short at 40.91. That panned out. I saw some potential, support. A little bit below, like a little bit in this area, so I didn't want to chance it. But yeah, that short was definitely the trade and not the long trade I took, being cautious to support. Jeez. All right, so my plan is to obviously take the short to 75. This is us retesting some of the FOMC lows yesterday. Coming down aggressive. Let me pull down one, get one more point out of it. Still gonna lock in 2 ticks, but if I can get one more point out of it, get back to break even on the day, that would be dope. Let's see. If it pulls back all the way up, hey, we still a small winner. But I think they're gonna keep pushing it down. Retest the FOMC lows. If they retest the lows, then make a new low at 74. That'd be awesome. Either way, right now this trade is a winner because we already locked in 2 ticks. So there's definitely no losing here. All winning. But we'll get to 74 in this one. This could have been our potential second trade on the day already, but just didn't take our initial instinct trade at 91. This would have been a quick, short day, 2-0 and be done. But we're about to be back at break even on the day, so I'll take that. We would have been out of the trade with a full 5 points, would have been down 1 point, but I'm seeing the potential of getting to 74, so why not take it? So wait for price come back for a retest. Come on. Don't make me a liar now. Let's go, price. They're definitely clearing 75. Like I said, that was some lows coming off of FOMC yesterday. All right, PLC moved down a little bit. Full fill, here we comes. No? Look at price playing with me, y'all. Look at price playing with me. This will happen when I'm being greedy, trying to get an extra get an extra point out of the play to get back to break even after losing my first trade on the day. This is what happens. Being greedy. Being greedy, y'all. Can't believe it. Being greedy. All right. Let's see this last retest here. So I think I'm gonna move up my target a little bit. That's where I'm at now. We definitely getting past 75, but we're not getting fully to 74. So it's a lot of decisions right now to be made. We're holding heavily negative. For sure, we're holding negative right now. Come on, y'all. Let's make me a winner. Let's go. Look at that. Don't make no sense. All right. Finally, y'all. Sheesh. All right, so we're back to break even. Let's just hang back and be patient. Wait for our next trade on the day. All right, y'all. So I took this long at 82 based off this 10 o'clock candle, how the 10 o'clock candle closed. Typically, with all how the stats close on this 10 o'clock candle, you normally see a pop back to the upside. So I took that long at 82. Obviously, this is my first time taking a trade like this on a 5-minute chart. So I just want to see how it pans out here. If we get a full ride back up or what it do. Move to break even. Move to break even because I'm seeing the same setup here and it actually kept going down. Yeah. I don't know if I trust it anymore. I'm second guessing. That's why I moved to break even. I'll take a short. I'll take a short at 81. I'll take a short at 81 for a continuation back to the downside. All right, so we're in the short at 81. I'm just looking at the stats on the candle. Let me not move it down right now. Let's watch this, how this trade plays out here. Let's see if I was right to do what I did. Let's take a look over here, see. I got some sellers, some buyers, some buying down going on right here in this area at 80. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Right now, I'm not sure on this one. But what I was looking at is delta was negative, cumulative was negative, the delta change was negative, delta SH, and SL was both negative on this candle here. Then the next candle price definitely just came falling out. So when I initially saw it, typically you see a reversal in the higher time frames. So that's why I initially took the long, but the long wasn't looking too positive, so I reversed. So I got out of the trade and took the short. But it looked like I might have been right with my first instinct of the long trade here off of this candle. Let's see how it plays out though. Let's see how it plays out. Seeing a fair value gap right at 80, 40, 80, which explains why price is kind of holding. So if it's come down, it's going to have to come down with some effort by the sellers. So let's hang back and just see how this one finishes up. All right, y'all, we're struggling with this trade. It's like, it's telling me, showing me we want to go down, but we got buyers heavy between 79 and 80. We had a decent little rundown here. I thought we was going to get a continuation, at least lock in, two ticks, at 77 once we cross 77. But buyers is doing their best to step up here, y'all. All right, we just locked it in. Let's see if we get a full fill on this one, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. All right. All right. Today gonna be one of them days where the wicking is real. I'm definitely happy that the long entry here at 40.82. I'm happy we broke even on that one, and then we took the short at 81. So yeah, we entered 82. We took the break even at 82 because we realized price was not going up. And I identified some stats on this 10 o'clock candle, which tells me, hey, we're going to keep going down. So I definitely like that. I stuck to that, took the break even trade. We got right back in on the same 10:05 candle at 81. Obviously, we had to sit through this wicking going on, but we saw selling pressure on this candle, selling pressure on this candle. And finally, we had some selling pressure on this candle too, but it finally broke down and got me out of this trade. So I think today that would be my fourth trade on the day. Lost the first one, won the second one, got back to break even. The third trade was another break even trade. And then this fourth trade, we just won the 4 or 5 ticks. 4 or 5 points. I'm sorry about that. 4 or 5 points. Yeah, so we're going to call it a day for right now. I got some things to do today, so can't hang out with y'all all day and keep trading. But as always, we are just being patient. We're doing our best, honestly, to be patient, to wait for the setups, and to execute when we see the setups. So until next time, y'all, stay blessed, hang with the best, and you know what it is. You got to put in the work to get to the goal. So till next time.